Hi, my name is Walt, and this is my wife Kim. We are the owners of Roadrunner Furniture and Shutters. We are located here in Phoenix, and we are a wholesale manufacturer of custom furniture as well as custom window treatments and shutters. In just a moment, we're going to take a tour of our shop, but first I'd like to tell you a little bit about our company. We've been in the Valley doing business since 1993. We service the window treatment resellers as well as making furniture on a custom basis for individuals and also for Stone Creek Furniture. So right now, if you would, let's go inside and let's take a look at how the shutters are made. Our wood is American-grown basswood, and more specifically, grown just in the northern parts of the United States. This particular basswood is much more uniform in color and texture and provides for a better product, especially in the stain. All of our product is kiln dried to a moisture content of 6 to 8% and then further acclimated in our shop to adjust to the unique conditions of the Arizona climate. Another one of the features that we'd like to point out is that all of the frame moldings are actually molded from a single piece of wood. In other words, our frames are not pieced together as many manufacturers do. This makes for a stronger frame, which of course is what holds your shutter panels in the opening. One of the other features that makes our shutter unique is that when we do the texturing process, we do not use sandblasting, which is common in a lot of textured shutters. Sandblasting removes the softer wood by blowing an abrasive media against the wood. This removes the softer wood, but it also leaves pitting, which over time traps a lot of dirt as you clean your shutters. So we've come up with a process using this machine that I'm standing next to, which gives you the same texturing effect, but without the pitting created by sandblasting, which makes our shutters easier to clean and maintain over the life. What I'd like to do now is just to run a piece of style material through the machine, which would give you an idea of how this process works. Pass, we normally run most of our product through in 2 passes to ensure an even texturing effect.
Okay, let's get a close-up on that. See some of the texture.
This saw station is where we cut all of our rails and louvers. As you've noticed, it has a digital stop system, which allows us to be very accurate in all of our cuts. One of the things that differentiates our shutters from our competition is that we have a much tighter tolerance between the ends of the louvers and the stiles. This creates a shutter that closes more tightly and has less light leaking between the ends of the louvers. Just to show you, I'll go ahead and cut the louver here. this, Chris, is what's going to happen is that we're going to turn it on. It's going to engage the drill bits that will drill, it'll staple, and then it inserts, this head's moved this way, and it inserts these louver pins in there.
Okay, go for it.
What you just saw was our louver pinning machine that drills the ends of the louvers, inserts the staple in the center of the louver, and then in turn inserts the nylon louver pins. We use a nylon pin as opposed to plastic, or some of our competitors use a wooden pin. These pins do not break, and this is why we're able to warranty our shutters for the lifetime of the product. The next station is where we staple our louvers to the tilt rod. Stiles are bored and the louvers are stapled to the tilt rod, it's time to assemble the panel. At this station, we do a rough assembly and then we'll move the panel to a clamping table specifically to clamp the panel together and allow the glue to set.